Best part of my day is when you stop by. I mean that. I'm John Zidar. This is On Top and Hot, and today is Tuesday. It's January 28th. Now, normally I like to share hot penny stocks with you. I'm a day trader. I primarily trade stocks under $5 every day. But on Tuesdays, I like to bring you over here to where I work. Literally, this is my job. I work for Pennybois Discord group, which is a Discord that helps people learn how to trade. Whatever it is you trade, however it is you trade it. I am over here from bell to bell, 9:30 to 4 o'clock, trading with my team members, trading with the public, trading with anybody that shows up. And that could be you. I've got a link down below. It says this is the Pennybois Discord link. Click that. It'll take you to Discord. If you haven't got a Discord account, don't sweat it. Just give them an email, choose a username, choose a password, and you've got yourself an account. They'll automatically direct you over to us. Over here on the left-hand side, you're going to find a menu. All you got to do is find the free member page, click it, and you're in here with us. We've got 50 to 200 people in here at any given time trading. Everybody's bringing in their stocks. They're doing their due diligence. It is really a great community, folks. Now, most of the time, I would explain to you what it is we do over here. Scalping, taking fast trades, looking for stocks that are running, not worrying about when they began, not worrying about how far they're going to go. All we do is take the meat in the middle, that probable move. But I talk about that all the time. So we're going to bypass that today and talk about something that is rocking the USA and hurting the market. Maybe you've heard about it. It's called DeepSeek. We are talking about China's DeepSeek AI program. It was just released in America a couple of days ago. You can download it for free. It is taking America by storm, or is it causing a storm? Looks like there's more damage right now than good. Let's take a look at some of these headlines. From CNN, a shocking Chinese AI advancement called DeepSeek is sending U.S. stocks plunging. Just the other day, the market took a $1 trillion hit because of DeepSeek. Companies like Nvidia, Broadcom, Google, Apple, everything was falling hard the other day. DeepSeek, Trump warns of wake-up call for U.S. tech firms. What is DeepSeek, the Chinese AI company upending the stock market? Well, that's a darn good question. Let's see what we can learn about DeepSeek. DeepSeek is a free AI-powered chatbot which looks, feels, and works very much like ChatGPT. The AI model that powers DeepSeek, known as R1, is reportedly as powerful as the open AI behind ChatGPT when performing tasks such as mathematics and coding. Chinese government censorship was thought to be a huge challenge for developing AI. But DeepSeek appears to have been trained on an open source model, which enables it to perform complex tasks while also withholding certain information. And it says it has been able to do this cheaply, with researchers behind it claiming it cost $6 million to build. Really? Though the cost of development outside of the training the model is unknown. Yeah, I'm sure it cost a lot more than that. Now, I've got a few thoughts about this, folks. First off, we are talking about a free AI chat GPT program from China that is just roaming around America now. Anybody can download it and use it. Well, weren't we worried about TikTok? TikTok just showed us videos, and they had secret sauce and algorithm that bothered America. And I do believe that's the reason it was blocked from America. Well, this is AI. This isn't videos. Isn't this a lot more serious? So I am concerned about a free Chinese AI running around America. This has always been a concern that any technology that comes from China could have anything, secret chips, some sort of secret mission that could be engaged at any point in time. So we're very cautious about these sort of things. What is going on here? Something that's very interesting, immediately when this came out, companies started collaborating with DeepSeek. Immediately. All of these companies have DeepSeek advantages now. And this is just in the last 2 days, the 27th and the 28th of January. Now here's the curious thing, folks. Most of these companies are Chinese companies. It's quicker to tell you which ones aren't. RDZN, RZLV, JFBR, BZAI. All the rest of these are Chinese companies. Now, one could think that the Chinese government put this new AI onto the market free so everybody could take it. And the way I see it, anything you get for free online comes with a price. It may not be dollars and cents you're paying, but you're paying something. Whether it be watching advertisements so they can get money from that, or they're taking your user information and selling it. But you're paying for it one way or another. How are we paying for this AI app from China? So they're going to be using DeepSeek for their companies. But understand this, folks. None of these companies have deals with the company that makes DeepSeek. They're just using DeepSeek for free. They're just using it. It's not like they got any contracts with the company whatsoever. And as far as I can tell, as I was starting to say, China may have released that Chinese AI over here and had some, I don't know, plan to have lots of Chinese companies release news that they're using it so it would inundate the market so everybody would see it at one time. So we got lots of news here, and they're using it for a lot of different things. To accelerate intelligent technology upgrades. They're going to be using it for insurance and mobility AI agents. They're also going to use it for financial and taxation AI models. They are going to revolutionize e-commerce data analysis. And then a lot of companies are using it for holograms. And they are also going to use it for enterprise AI agent capabilities, probably customer assistance and stuff like that. Now, what I want to do is I want to take a look at these charts. Now, we don't have to go all the way back 4 hours or a year or anything. This has all happened in the last 2 days. So we're going to look at all of these charts just over the last 2 days to see how they are affecting the market overall using this as a gauge. Let's go see what we got. We are now over here at my free trading platform, Think or Swim, better known as my playground. Honestly, folks, I have a lot of fun over here. I like charting. So I have got those 10 companies all lined up over here for us to take a look at. 5 of them are in the green today. 5 of them are in the red. Now, we are only concerned with the current period of time, so we're not going to look at the yearly charts, the 4-hour charts. We're going to stick with the 5-day, 15-minute chart. First one we're going to look at is Holo. Holo is a Chinese company, microcloud, ticker HOLO. Obvious where the news came out, right? She was here at $1.56. She took a jump up here to $2.88. That's roughly 80% gains. That was all pre-market. When the bell went off, she fell right back down to the 200 where she started. We've had some bounces since then, and it looks like she is starting to climb. Let's take a look at another Chinese company that's involved with DeepSeek. This is TC Tuanshe. I think that's how you pronounce it. Obviously, the news came out right here at 85 cents, jumped up to $1.95. That is over 100% run right there. She too came right back down to her 200. We had another pop here during the pre-market, and she is going sideways with just a hint of trying to climb right now. Take a look at an American company, ticker BZAI. This is Blaze Holdings. She's been in a downtrend for the last 5 days, and I can't even tell that she had any news with DeepSeek. There's nothing here to show us anything. Take a look at another American company, RDZN. This is Roadzen Inc. Just looking at the last 2 days, I think this is probably where the news came out. That was $1.55. And she went up to $2.05. So you're looking at about 33% gains right there and a fast drop down back to where she started, even lower, falling down to the 20 and coming back up to about where she was at before she had that pop. I don't see any long-lasting effects here, folks. Looking at Wimmy Hologram. I do believe this is a Chinese company as well. Looks like the news came out here for pre-market. We were just over $1. We had $1.61. That gives you 61% gains. She fell too at the bell, but she came through her 200. She did not stop. Came down, tried to climb back up, but here at the bell, she fell even lower, hitting a low bubble of 93 cents. And right now, she's going sideways underneath the 200. She's worse off for where she began. Take a look at Jeff Brands, ticker JFBR. This is an American company. Her news came out pre-market as well. She jumped from $2.31 up to $3.30. You're looking at about 50% run right there. Came down fast and furious, broke the 200, went down to a low bubble, another one, jumped back up, but she is still lower than where she started, going sideways. Egads, I'm not liking this so far. Chinese company, AIXI. This is ajayfixed. 2 days ago, I'm not quite sure. Did she have the news? Yeah, right there is the start of the day. Her news came out at 4 in the morning. It jumped here from $5 up to $6.50. You're looking at over 30% run right there. But again, right at the bell, she took a crash down through the 200. She tried to recover with no luck. Came back underneath that 200 and fell deep, way deeper than where she started. Tried to bounce back up, and she too at the bell fell to a low bubble, and now she's going sideways, waiting for an opportunity to get on top of these MAs. An American company, RZLV. This is Resolve AI. Forgetting about this high or whatever was going on back there, I can't tell where the news was. If there was any news here about DeepSeek, it had no effect. I see no bounces whatsoever. And she too is at a low bubble right now. Two more stocks. We got ticker NA. This is Nano Labs. This is a Chinese company. She wasn't doing a whole heck of a lot of anything, just going sideways. News came out. She was at $7.52. Look at that jump to $11.91. You're looking at, I think that's close to 50% jump right there. But it was short, folks. She came down past where she started, way down here. She bounced back up, looking like she might want to stick. No, she too went back underneath the 200, fell to a low bubble. She's pushing up, and she is waiting for an opportunity to get back to where she started. Bad, bad, bad. None of these look good, folks. Oh, my God. This is ticker LICN, Lishan, China. Yes, it's a Chinese company. I'm going to guess that this spike right there was the news. It came in at 14 cents, jumped up to 16 cents. It's not a very big jump. Came back down, had another pop. Looked like she may want to run, but really all of our strong MAs, our 200 Hall, our 200 MA, they're all rolling downhill. Takes a lot to get them to come back up. So as soon as you see them starting to roll down, you can count on the stock to take a dip or a crash. And we took a crash. We went from 13 cents down to 8 cents and then back up. We're still underneath that 9-day MA here, trying to recover. So honestly, folks, I didn't see that anything here outside of the initial bang is doing anything. This is a free app. They're not a public company. You can't invest in them. They're disrupting the markets over here. I don't know what the true purpose of the app is. Why would China release an AI app to America? It costs cheaper to use. It uses less components. So it's better in a lot of ways. Why would they let us see that? And are we going to allow it to continue to run around America doing whatever it wants? Now, from what I understand, it is being attacked. There have been numerous attacks against the app. I don't know how you attack it. That's not anything I've ever done. They're trying to hack it right now. So I am a little bit concerned when I see a country like China bringing AI into our country and they control that AI. We don't know what AI can do in a split second. It can do things that we're not aware of, and it can take information back to China. So maybe it isn't the best thing to have this over here? AI is going to explode, folks, but we need to be in control of our own AIs. To have Americans using Chinese AIs for whatever they want, God only knows what information they are acquiring right now and getting from us. I am absolutely sure they have a pipeline to get all the information we give to that AI chat GPT. I'm sure China is just harvesting it. That's just my feelings. You know what I always say, and it's real. The more you know, the more you're going to grow. See you, folks.